Alright. For number 3, Jeremiah, can you read the directions for us, please?
Calculate each quotient using synthetic division, then write the dividend as a product of the divisor and the quotient plus the remainder.
Class, what type of division are we doing for B? Synthetic division. So it tells me division, g of x divided by r of x. So essentially what I'm doing is x cubed plus 8 over x plus 2. Class, there's something missing in between. Partner A whisper to partner B, what's missing right there? Ready, set, go. What's missing there? Joe? What's missing? What's missing?
X squared.
So tell me what to write. X cubed.
Oh. Plus 0x squared plus 0x plus, what is that?
Now we're going to use synthetic division. Partner A tell partner B, what are you going to write on the outside and on the inside? Ready, set, go. Isaiah, what am I going to write here? You said what? So x, yeah, x equals a negative 2. Raise your hand if you got that. Remember, you're taking this and you're setting it equal to 0, subtract, and you get negative 2. Good job, Isaiah. Christine, what do I write above here? Where did you get those numbers from, Christine? Yeah, those are numbers that we get from right there. Thank you, Christine. Sienna, tell us how to do synthetic division.
We have to multiply.
Okay, before we multiply.
You bring down the 1.
Okay, now you said what?
Multiply.
Go ahead and multiply.
2.
Negative 2 times 1 is?
Negative 2.
Okay, what do we do next?
Subtract.
So 0 minus 2? Negative 2. And saying if we multiply negative 2 times negative 2,
4.
and if I add 0 plus 4,
4.
and then if I multiply,
Negative 16.
negative 2 times 4,
8.
negative 8, and if you add those two together, you get what?
16. 0.
So we're just adding, so 8 minus 8 will give us 0. What do I do next? Rudy. What does this mean? Okay, so what do the numbers 1, negative 2, and 4 represent? You're right, it's the answer, it's the quotient, but these numbers represent something. It doesn't represent negative 124. What does this represent? Everyone talk to your partner, 5 seconds. What does these numbers represent? Yes, Rudy? Okay, so you're saying this one represents x plus 2. Are you thinking of the product? Okay, you want to do the product? Okay. So what does this represent? 1, negative 2, and 4. Maybe it'll help if someone does the product. Raymond, go ahead and complete the product for us. Yeah. One x cubed. So right now we're doing the product. I'm trying to think about how I can get the dividend as the product of the divisor and the quotient. So question, Raymond. How do I get x cubed plus 8? Yeah. Maybe Rudy can help us now. Rudy, what does 1, negative 2, and 4 represent? So this is our, what does a 0 represent? The remainder. How about this one? Does it have an x on it or nothing? Nothing. So that's a 4 is positive. What does this negative 2 represent? So it's negative 2x. And this one over here? X squared. Okay. Raymond? What do I need to put in here now? X plus 2. So the synthetic division gives us the shortcut. These are your constants. These eventually become your coefficients or numbers in front of the variables. There's a 1 right there. And then you take your divisor. So if you actually multiply these two, you would get your product here. I want you guys to label your papers. Does anyone know what that 3 is called up there? Cube is correct. So you didn't really realize it, but you did something called the sum of cubes.